my name is
Hi, I'm
Lồng.
Teacher
I'm
Aaron.
6 years old.
Welcome to my story time.
time.
Boys and girls, do you
Nè, bột ơi, bột lại.
Hi, my name is Lồng. I'm 6 years old. Welcome to my story time. Boys and girls, do you like birds? I like birds very much. But girl, look at the pictures. What can you see? I can see a bird. But girl, what color is a bird? A bird is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink bird is flamingo. Our star is bird. This bird is flying. Let's go. What bird is this? Is this a eagle? E-A-G-A. Eagle. This bird is screaming. Let's go. What bird is this? That's right. Is this a penguin? Penguin. This bird is screaming. This bird is singing. Let's go. What bird is this? Is this a duck? This bird is eating. Let's go. What the bird eating? Bird is eating a fish. This bird is walking. Let's go. Is bird walk fast or slow? I think a bird is walk fast, but I don't know. This bird is running. Let's go. Is bird run fast? Yes, a bird is run very fast. This bird is sleeping. Let's go. What bird is this? What is this? An owl. This bird is talking. Let's go. What bird is this? Is this a parrot? P-A-R-O-G-A. Parrot. Bye bye.